Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of them is the slow motion. We can also pick super slow motion to get slower video, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on the standard one, and here we are. By just one tap we can start recording this type of video by tapping on this big shutter button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.